Hello people, I want to show my Quantum Venture here with the retractable landing gear, and I have my Mobius camera, which is also hooked up to the FPV on the back here, and it's on one of those anti-vibration type mounts. And I want to show you my retracts here real quick. That's with them up in the air. That way, when I'm recording off of the Mobius camera, it doesn't show the landing gear, because when it's recording, it shows the very front of the landing gear. So there they are there, back down. And then here's my pan down on the tilt for my Mobius camera. You can see that it's panning down. And that's on a knob on my transmitter. Hit the landing gear up. Alright, there it is.